Principles of Business Management for Small Business Owners. Sound like a workshop you might be interested in? This all-new, no-cost workshop, hosted by the Duquesne University SBDC, will provide you with the practical and hands-on knowledge necessary to start and operate a business successfully. This program will run on Tuesday, April the 29th, as well as Wednesday, April the 30th, from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., both in person and virtually via Zoom. Day 1 will cover building a strong business foundation, while Day 2 will cover HR, sales, marketing, and technology needed for growth. For those who attend both classes, a certificate of completion from the Duquesne University SBDC will be awarded. To learn more information about this all-new workshop series or to register, go to the calendar of events on our website at sbdc.duq.edu. We hope to see you there.